Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? Hope all of you are hale and hearty by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our online platform, NIEFS Home School. This is Muhammad Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to conduct an English literature class for the students of class 2. Today I will take a new topic, that is unseen comprehension passage 1 and fill in the blanks. So, I will move you to the board so that you can look at the topic. So, look here, our today's topic is, this is our new topic, it is unseen passage 1, reading plus fill in the blanks. So, look here, this is our lecture number 11 and SW number 10 on our annual term syllabus. So, look, lecture number 11 and SW number 10 on our annual term syllabus. Dear students, before going to our main session, I want to tell you something important regarding our today's class, so that attention grows among you. Dear students, there is an old saying, or there is a proverb that health is wealth. So, from this sentence or from this proverb, we can understand the importance of health in our life. If we do not have a good health, we cannot lead a happy life. So, from this topic, we have understood the health, good health in our life. So, in these connections, I request all of my students to look at the board. Before looking at the board, I want to tell you about the topic, that this topic is not only important for your examinations, but also important for maintaining a good health. I hope all of you have understood the importance of good health in our daily life. So, let us start our class. At first, we will read the text. Read the following text and carefully and answer the fill in the blanks. Health is the condition of our body and mind. So, look, health is the condition or state of our body and mind. Good health means healthy body free from disease. So, look here, good health means healthy body free from disease. It is essential to everybody. So, look here, it is essential, or it is very much important to everyone to lead a happy life. Dear students, sometimes it is seen that a boy or a girl is very much bulky, but whenever he or she will be bulky, will be fat, it does not mean that he or she represents a good health, or he or she possesses a good health. Good health means free from disease. This is the one important thing. Good health means free from disease. Free from disease. It is essential to everyone to lead a happy life. A proverb goes, health is wealth. So, look at the proverb. Health is wealth. We may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. We have to take a balanced diet. So, look at the first rules or first formula to maintain a good health. We have to take a balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy. Now we will go to next page. We must exercise regularly to keep our body fit for work. Dear students, here two important suggestions are given here. One is we must eat a balanced diet. Another one is we must exercise regularly. Two important points, we have to keep it in our mind. We have to take a balanced diet. Another one is we must exercise regularly. There is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. This is very famous old saying. So, you will memorize this old saying. It is early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Peace of mind is another condition for good health. So, look here, peace of mind is another condition of good health. Dear students, we have finished our reading session. That means, and we will fill in the blanks now. Fill in the blanks, okay. So, look here, I have given here passage and some fill in the blanks. From the passage, we will choose the proper word, and in the blanks we will use or write this. So, at first look, health is the health is the dash of our body and mind. If we go to the passage, we will understand, or we will see health is the condition of our body and mind. So what is the answer? Health is the condition. I am writing condition in the blank. So look here, I have written here condition. Health is the condition of our body and mind. From the passage, we have taken the word condition of our body and mind. Good health dash healthy body free from disease. So look at the passage. Good health means healthy body free from disease. Good health means MEANS means. So look, good health means healthy body free from disease. It dash essential to everyone to lead a happy life. Look at the passage. It is essential to lead everyone to lead a happy life. It is. In the blank we will write is. It is essential to everyone to lead a happy life. If we are not in good health, we cannot dash on activity in life. So look, if we are not in good health, we cannot concentrate or we cannot give attention. I am writing the word, follow me, concentrate. Concentrate, okay, I am writing on the board because it looks little bit unclear. Concentrate means give attention. Give attention. So look here, we in the fill in the blanks we have written concentrate. Concentrate means to give attention. Concentrate means to give attention. You will write only this word. Only this word you will write, concentrate in the blank. On activity in life. A proverb goes, health is wealth. We may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. We have to take a dash diet. So look at the passage. We have to take a balanced diet. Balanced diet means proper selection of food. So look here, we have to take a balanced diet. That means we have to eat proper food, balanced diet. We have to take a balanced diet. BALANCED, balanced. So look, I have written from the passage we have got the word balance, BALANCED. So look here, BALANCED, balanced diet to keep ourselves healthy. We must dash regularly to keep our body fit for work. We must, so look at the passage, we must exercise. So look, what is written here? Exercise. Okay, in the blank we will write, we must exercise, EXERCISE. So look, it looks good, or from far distance it is seen, exercise, okay, regularly to keep our body fit for work. There is an old saying, dash to bed and early to rise. So look, that is the old saying. There is an old saying, early to bed. That means we need to go to bed early. Early to bed, early, EARLY. So look, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. So look, it is wise. So I am telling you again so that all of my students can understand this fill in the blanks properly. Health is the condition of our body and mind. Good health means healthy body free from disease. It is essential to everyone to lead a happy life. If we are not in good health, we cannot concentrate. Concentrate means to give attention. Concentrate means giving attention. Concentrate, look here, CONCENTRAT. Concentrate on activity in life. A proverb goes, health is wealth. we may have vast wealth and property, but if we are not healthy, we cannot enjoy them. We have to take a balanced diet. So look here, it is balanced diet. To keep ourselves healthy, we must exercise regularly to keep our body fit for work. There is an old saying, early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Dear students, this is our fill in the blanks. Now look at the end of our board. It is written SW, unseen comprehension, fill in the blanks, only answer. Okay, that means you will write SW lecture number, it is lecture number 11 and SW number 10, then the title unseen comprehension 1, fill in the blanks and then only answer A to S number. Okay, no need to pick up the full fill in the blanks, only answer you will write in your SW copy. Dear students, I hope all of my students of class 2 have understood this important and interesting class. Keep practicing at home and do your SW on your SW copy or in your SW copy. Finally, abide by your parents' advice. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.